Okay, it's a windy Saturday afternoon, and we're going to work on our Saturday evening project just a little bit early today. And what we're going to actually be building is a Chinese flying top. We're going to take a bamboo skewer and a tiny little piece of this, and we're going to make a toy that's going to keep somebody busy for hours and hours. And it's only going to take a few seconds. So, let's do it. This piece needs to be cut with the grain. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to drill a hole that's the right size for our bamboo skewer to fit into, but fit tightly, and it needs to be drilled right in the center of our piece of wood. So we're going to take that and drill our hole. I don't know if I like that one. Let's try another one. Okay, when you're making these are fast enough that you might want to just make a whole bunch at the same time. There we go, I like that one better. Okay, with just a little quick thing here, I'm going to mark out where we're going to carve away the material to make this into a propeller blade. And once you've done one of these, you've done a bunch of them. They're all the same, all four of these markings. And now all we have to do is sand it off, and we're almost done. Now we're going to use a belt sander. You can use all kinds of different things to shape this, but we're going to use a belt sander, and we're just going to sand away just enough that it leaves a nice angled blade. We'll do the same thing 4 times over. Hold it the same direction each time, and we'll sand it down until it's nice and thin. Prettier. I didn't like that one. And that is the basic propeller. Dress it up just enough to make it pretty. If you like, round off the corners a little bit. And now all we got to do is put a stick on it. That didn't take too long. I'm going to cut the stick about here and about here so it's not too long. There it goes.